ATAD Steel is one of the leading companies in the steel structure manufacturing sector in Vietnam and in the region. ATAD Steel is known not only as a supplier, but also the contractor performing packages of high-quality structural steel projects, according to international standards. With a full service in the conception and execution stages of the product, from designing, manufacturing, and erection of a complete structural steel project. We possess a talented workforce of over 1,000 people. Our high-capacity manufacturing plant is equipped with the most advanced machinery that has made ATAD Steel Company one of the most modern production lines in the world today. ATAD Steel meets all of the stringent demands of our customers in the region and around the world in terms of quality. ATAD Steel gives the customer the best service and the best quality at a reasonable investment and competitive price compared to the same product of its kind. ATAD Steel products include three major product categories: lightweight steel structures for built-up sections of warehouses and factories, heavy steel structure applications for heavy industrial projects, equipment support structures for heavy industrial plants, power plants, and oil refineries, pipe support structures for petrochemical refinery projects, oil and gas plants, high-rise buildings, structures for housing projects, commercial buildings, and multi-story buildings, civil engineering, traffic works, bridges, roads, and other ancillary products for transportation infrastructure, specialized structural projects, especially projects with high artistic and architectural design, such as railway stations, docks, gymnasiums, sports centers, and exhibition halls. Secondary structures and coverings, such as purlin systems, roof and wall systems for all types of projects. Our manpower, reputation, facilities, and quality management system meet international standards. ISO 9001-2008, ISO 14001-2004, OSHA 18001-2007. This has helped us to manage efficiently and make our brand name be known to the regional and global market. The most outstanding point of ATAD Steel comes from the optimized design solution performed by our highly experienced engineering team that has inherited valuable experience accumulated over the years in the company. We bring to our customers satisfaction and complete peace of mind about the quality of the design, in accordance with the most stringent technical requirements, weather, and environmental conditions. Our design team performs their work in three stages: technical designing, fabrication designing, erection designing. All the projects are designed and manufactured following the latest U.S. standards: AISC 2005, IBC 2009, ASCE 7 2005, MBMA 2006-2010, AISI 2007, AWS D11 11M 2008. ATAD Steel designs are done with the help of the latest state-of-the-art software, such as SAP 2000, STAAD.Pro, ETABS 2013, CFS, Tekla, AutoCAD, and Autolift. These qualifications have given our customers optimal design solutions and an absolute confidence in quality with a reasonable investment. The ATAD Steel Complex, with the most modern and biggest scale in the region, is located in Long An Province, Vietnam. The complex has a total area of 50,000 meters squared, with a production capacity consisting of 5,000 tons of main structural steel per month, 600 tons of secondary structural steel per month, 200,000 square meters of panel per month. The plant is equipped with automatic machinery and equipment allowing full package production from the stage of cutting, welding, surface cleaning, and painting. It can produce from large complex structures to the smallest components of a project. We also have one lightweight steel structure factory consisting of 4 lines, one manufacture factory for secondary and covering members, and one factory for heavy structures equipped with the most sophisticated machines in the world. 4 plate cutting machines up to 20 millimeters thick and 6.1 meters long. 2 automatic CNC cutting machines that can cut 100 millimeter thick plate automatically from software programming. 4 automatic welding and assembly lines. Both assembly and welding machines work simultaneously to give high-quality products and high capacity. 3 automatic bending machines. 2 shot blasting machines conforming to SA 2.5 cleanliness. More than 100 semi-automatic welding machines. The production line of heavy structures consists of 1 hot roll beam production line with automated 3D drilling, sawing machines, and a beveling machine, assembly lines, and heavy beam welding lines. box beam production line that can produce the largest cross-section column up to 1.5 meter cross-section. Bending machine and cut-off machines, welding steel structures for special bends. With this manufacturing technology, ATAD Steel can provide all kinds of structures, from simple to very complex ones that are widely used in industrial projects, high-rise housing projects, heavy industry, and specialized structure projects of high artistic and architectural designs. It would be incomplete without mentioning our completion cover sheet services. With this type of service, ATAD Steel has become one of the companies which offers full detail services for a project. ATAD owns a production line that can produce a large variety of steel panels. We are able to provide customers a full package product from the complex finishing details to the smallest items for a project. This is ATAD's strength, distinguishing ATAD from other steel manufacturers. The cold forming production line is equipped with 3 Z purlin machines, 1 C purlin machine, 5 rib forming machines, 9 rib forming machines, Lock 420mm and Lock 920mm forming machines, and a Seam 65 and Seam 115 forming machine. We also have machines for the smallest details of the structure. Anchor bolt manufacturing machine, purlin bracing manufacturing machine, flashing and trimming manufacturing machine, and steel downspouts manufacturing machine. The in-house production of the smallest details has helped ATAD to control quality and assure delivery time for our customers. The panel and covering products include ATAD Span 5 for roof and wall cladding, ATAD Span 7 for wall cladding, ATAD Span 9 for wall cladding, ATAD Lock 420 for roofing, ATAD Lock 940 for roofing, ATAD Seam 65 for roofing, ATAD Seam 115 for roofing, ATAD Deck for composite slabs, and a steel downspout. With a strong belief that quality is the factor that has assured the good brand reputation and success of ATAD Steel, we have built a process of strict and perfect quality control for all production stages. This process is applied first from the assessment of input raw materials suppliers, and especially in the manufacturing process. Raw materials are imported from reliable, world-renowned manufacturers from countries like Japan and South Korea. The production stages are meticulously checked before being approved, from cutting, assembly, and welding in a strict process and recorded as instructed in the QC manual. Welding inspection by ultrasonic or magnetic testing and surface cleaning before painting are very important tasks in the chain process of product quality control. ATAD Steel possesses all the testing equipment to control the quality from all production stages, namely ultrasonic testing machine, surface cleanliness checking chart, environmental hygrometer. Over the years, ATAD Steel has been known as a contractor specializing in implementing complete steel structural packages. We have developed a professional project management process and efficient collaboration with all parties involved in the project through the provision of the very best services for the success of the project. We are the first company in Vietnam to apply the ISO 9001-2008, ISO 14001-2004, and OSHA 18001-2007 standards in the management of quality and safety. ATAD has invested methodically in the installation of steel construction with a team of skilled workers. Our safety erection process, safety management, and maintenance of construction equipment for work safety have been adequately invested in and equipped according to international standards. Employees are fully equipped with safe on-the-job workwear, including devices and tools, a safety line for working at heights, a safety net for roof erection, a forklift for manipulation at heights. Routine work safety training is a regular activity to create safe habits in all production activities of ATAD Steel. Safe thinking, safe operation, and safe return home are the consistent targets in ATAD's management of safety. Successful implementation of health, safety, and environment policies is our company's regular concern, as our top priority is to ensure safety and good health for our cadres, workers, partners, environment, and ATAD Steel is the partner of many investors, project developers, and general contractors. We have worked successfully with many international project management consulting firms. ATAD Steel projects span all of Vietnam and have been exported to over 15 countries worldwide. In the Vietnamese market, we have sales offices in Ho Chi Minh City, Hanoi, and Can Tho. For the regional market, we have offices in Myanmar, the Philippines, and Indonesia. ATAD Steel products have been exported to Australia, Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia, the Philippines, Myanmar, Laos, Cambodia, the Ivory Coast, and many other countries in the region. With a contingent of more than 150 engineers present in all of our offices, we are always ready to provide the customers with timely and useful advice. The solution and design consultancy is completely free. Our leading and traditional partners are reputed contractors such as Kotakon, Kofico, Unicon, Descon, Dinko, PHG, and FDC, and international contractors like Maeda, Shimizu, Toda, Hazama, Penta Ocean, Daiwa House, and POSCO. The typical projects among the thousands that ATAD Steel has supplied throughout Indochina, Asia, and around the world include the Yuianhai Coastal Thermal Power Plant No. 1, with a volume supplied of 500 tons. The Formosa Thermal Power Plant 3, 2,800 tons. The Vinakyoi Steel Mill, 3,500 tons. The warehouse of the Kamau Fertilizer Plant, 75-meter wide aperture. The Mariuchi Sun Steel Roofing Sheet Plant, 2,500 tons. The NSG Glass Production Plant of the Nippon Group, 1,800 tons. The Brotex Colored Yarn Manufacture, 315,000 square meters. An outstanding characteristic of the projects in which we have participated is that we have used green and eco-friendly materials for the protection of the environment, answering the LEED criteria of the US or the Green Building Regulations of Vietnam. Some of these projects are the Colgate Toothpaste Manufacturer, the Pepsi Beverages Company, and the Laurelton Diamond Factory, the projects that meet the FM safety standards such as the Pepsi Company and Sanofi. The unrelenting efforts in maintaining good service, quality, and the reputation of ATAD Steel have been rewarded with the trust of many world-famous brands. All these achievements have attested that ATAD Steel has become a leading brand name that will go along with investors and contractors in their quest to conquer new markets.